Hello friends, can you hear me? Can you hear my voice? Hello guys, can you hear my voice? Let's wait for 30 more seconds so that other people also can join this call, and then we can start. Good morning Manmohan, good morning Rishabh. Okay, so don't write this good morning messages more, okay? It's getting flooded all over the screen. Okay, good morning everybody. So welcome to VC internship. Good morning Satyaprakash, Rajshekhar. Welcome to VC internship. So this is the first interaction call with all of you guys related to our VC internship program. So before I start talking about the VC program and all, do you guys have any question, anything you want to ask? You can send us here. If you guys have any question, anything you want to ask related to VC. अगर कोई question नहीं है, so I can start talking about VC program, the summer internship program. All right, so if you guys don't have any question, so let us start this discussion. What is CDS? Is it necessary? Okay guys, let's start talking about the Vardhan Consulting Engineer. So we have a podcast. We have a podcast where we discussed about why we started this internship, what Vardhan Consulting Engineers do, and how it is started and everything else. But related to VCE, related to our current operations, related to this internship, if you guys have any other doubt, you can easily reach us and ask us about those things. There is no issue in that. We are always welcome to resolve all the queries. Okay. What is the main motto of VC? See, regarding VC and everything is already there, already on the website. So let me tell you about the beginning, little bit of beginning. Then you guys can understand that why this internship is so important for us, and why we want to take care of all our interns for future also. So 10 years back, when I started my first job, so my company placed me make me a mentor for the 4 or 5 interns, and I was very excited, and I give them a lot of good tasks and all. I framed the whole internship, and they performed very good in the internship, and they performed very good in their life. So I got encouraged, and I start doing that, and I start becoming the mentor of the interns for coming years also. Now from past 5-6 years I am abroad. Right now also I am in Thailand, Bangkok. So I am abroad, and I keep on interviewing a lot of candidates who are doing MBA, who are doing core sector engineering, who are doing a lot. And I found out there is a gap between what they are teaching in the college to the students and what the corporate needs from them. and that gap is huge in the two things what I am doing right now. It's like core sector engineering especially, and the finance field. There is a huge gap, and whosoever is doing finance, they are not able to get actual information, what to do in finance, how to do it, and all these things. So to remove that gap, we started this internship, right? We don't have any, we never think of, we don't have any kind of commercial arrangements for providing this internship. It's always about helping to develop the nation or society, payback kind of stuff. And why we think like that? Because we think that we are good in this. ऐसे payback के लिए तो बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, we can do a lot of things, but why we are doing this? Because we think that we are good in this, so that's why we should do it. That is the main motto of VCE. And how the process of internship is very clear, very smooth, okay? Because apart from the technical and corporate way of learning, corporate knowledge what we are providing, we are also very helpful in terms of the documentation. I always help all the interns, because कभी किसी को ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि ज्ञान तो बहुत मिला, but document wise to prove in the college or all these things, वहाँ उस तरह का support नहीं मिला. Because there are a lot of companies I know, they are very good, but whenever there is coming documentation for proper offer letter, proper certificate, proper other things, writing a recommendation, they are always loose. They don't want to give, or they don't have such kind of department. But we don't want that. We always help. Before that also, there are a lot of guys who applied for further studies in abroad, and they need a letter of recommendation for somebody from the industry. I write recommendation for him. I think unlimited, like I think 50 plus recommendations I wrote already. Only because they have done internship with us. I know him and I want to help them. Second thing is regarding certificate of internship and the dates of the internship. Like suppose if you are doing this internship in May or June, 1st May to suppose 22nd June, but you want the date in your certificate like 6th May to 22nd June. And that is very important to show in the college, because I know how college works, right? I studied in India all my life. So I know how they work. So that's why I want to help you guys in that all the time. If you finish the internship and if you want the certificate from that date to that date, we will give you that, no problem in that. We want to help you in that thing. Okay? So documentation part, yes, we are very much supportive. There are few interns who coming back and saying, sir, previously you keep on giving us offer letter in PDF format, now you are sending emails. And why it is so? We want offer letter in PDF format. There is one girl who also requested. And definitely we want to give, I like to give in PDF, but there is a limitation from Google that we cannot send offer letter more than, I think, 50 or more than 100 per day. Because we put your data in Excel sheet and Google process it and make your offer letter in PDF and then send it to you with your name, your college name and all these things. So it's a kind of technical kind of problem. Okay, so that's why we started giving it in an email. Sending email is easier than preparing PDF. But if you guys need offer letter in PDF, it's required. It's very important to show in the college and all, right? और मे बी आत्मा की शांति के लिए kind of stuff कि सर मुझे PDF में ही चाहिए, I don't want to do anything else. Definitely I will share a form with you guys and you just put down your details and we will create the PDF and send it to you. But if it is not required, if it is not necessary, yeah, Pratham, we are a consulting firm, right? That's where we are getting our money, revenue, right? So if you want the PDF format completely, so if it is not required, so then definitely okay. If it is not very much required, then don't ping us for PDF, right? अगर सिर्फ कॉलेज को दिखा दिया ईमेल है, या फिर यू आर डूइंग दिस इंटर्नशिप फॉर योर नॉलेज एंड ऑल, सो then don't, because see, last in April May group we offered 825 candidates offer letter, right? And everybody wants the offer letter same day, or maybe after 2 days, 3 days, and eventually before the internship at least, right? So, and our limitation is 100 per day in PDF. We can increase up to 150. I will try my best. So if it is not required, I just want to request you guys that if it is not required, don't request for PDF. If it is required, then only fill the form, please. But yes, I will like to, regarding certificate of completion and letter of recommendation, it should and must go in PDF with the signature, and if you want, we can stamp all, give you a stamp also. Okay, so PDF certificate or LOR PDF में ही जाएगा, that is for sure. We not say, we don't believe in sending certificate as email, right? So it should go in the PDF only. Okay, so that is the documentation part. All of you guys should be like very much settled down and think that you trust us, that we will give it to us. Don't ping like, you know, abhi aapne bheja, and you start asking, tell me at what time you will give me the offer letter, tell me at what time you, nobody knows the time and all. इतना प्रेशर तो मैं अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ पे नहीं डालता यार, और आप इंटर्न होके हाउ कैन यू पुट दैट मच प्रेशर? ओके, ट्रस्ट अस, वी ऑलरेडी गिवन, हमारा कोई, वी डोंट हैव एनी क्लोज फ्रेंड इन ऑल द इंटर्न्स कि मैं उनके लिए कर रहा हूँ एंड अदर पीपल वी आर मिसिंग देम आउट. नो, ऑल ऑफ यू गाइज आर सेम. थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक, समटाइम्स मिस्टेक्स आर ऑल्सो हैपन फ्रॉम योर साइड, यू पुट रॉन्ग ईमेल और समथिंग. सो डेफिनेटली वी वांट टू गिव यू ऑल दिस थिंग्स एंड डेफिनेटली वी विल शेयर. So that is the documentation part. Now when you start doing the internship, we already told you that internship is of 4 modules: module 0, module 1, module 2, module 3 and module 4. So module 0 is that basic module, like, you know, connection and all, you are on the same page, having the same join the same Telegram group and all these things, right? That is module 0. Okay, now webinars also we can start. Okay, but podcast is something that people focus, and podcast is always small to the point. Webinars में बहुत कुछ होने लगता है. Okay, we can just do the webinars like this. So module 0 was simple, just interaction, connection. Everybody should be in their own group. Okay, don't join more than one group. Okay, join only one group. It's not good. It's not like professional. अगर तुम्हें 4 ग्रुप दिया गया, बोला गया कि एक ग्रुप में ज्वाइन हो जो तुम्हारा प्रोजेक्ट है, एंड यू आर जस्ट क्लिकिंग ऑन ज्वाइनिंग ऑल द अदर ग्रुप्स, कि अगर कहीं लड्डू मिल रहा हो तो बाकी 3 ग्रुप का लड्डू मुझे मिस ना हो जाए. दैट इज़ नॉट करेक्ट. ओके, यू शुड ज्वाइन ओनली वन ग्रुप ऑफ योर ओन प्रोजेक्ट. देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग ऑल द अदर ग्रुप्स. दैट इज द इंफॉर्मेशन इन अदर ग्रुप इज नॉट फॉर यू. ओके, सो ज्वाइन योर ओन ग्रुप. दैट इज द मॉड्यूल 0. एंड इफ यू हैव एनी like when you so there is one question people ask, they say, can I do 2 internship at one time? Right, I will work hard, I am from this college, that college, and you know, I work hard and all. But I already mentioned in my podcast and all that we can allow this. It's not like that we have a doubt on your intelligence or you cannot do, or it's so difficult that you cannot do. It is not like that. It's simple, it's easy, not so difficult. It's just an internship. But the problem is, I don't want to get any negative feedback from the students, from the interns, कि सर 2 प्रोजेक्ट एक साथ कर रहा हूँ सर, तो नहीं हो पाया, how can I focus? It's not like that, I cannot finish, right? So I don't want that kind of stuff, because a lot of things is not on your control, right? You are studying in a college, the college can give you more assignment, this that. तो अगर एक प्रोजेक्ट है तो आगे पीछे करके you can manage, but 2 प्रोजेक्ट है and you need to be present in the both group call, con call, and I don't like that. So finish one internship, try to get to know each other, and then do the another internship, do another, like there are so many, you can do it later on also. No issues in that. Again, one more query is regarding corporate skill development. And you guys have, if any doubt, you can just type the doubt. Okay, any question you have, and I will try to answer during this interaction. See, CSD program is very important. It's mandatory. We cannot relax that rule. You need to do that CSD, and there is no option of not doing it. You finish the CSD program and then come back and say that's what the crap it is. You don't like it, blah blah blah. Right? It's already started. For CSD program, Arushi, it's nothing. It's not started and all. You just have 5 videos. You need to watch the 5 videos, make a report on that 5 videos, and then that's it. Regarding the con call, after this interaction session, we will have a con call with separate projects. Okay, separate project. We will have the con call where I will talk to you guys separately, do the project wise, and tell you what to do the project. And it's more about interaction. Okay, you can not regarding CSD. You can contact me anytime. You have my Telegram ID, and I think you guys have my mobile number also. You can send me message on WhatsApp, and we can contact. It's so easy. Anytime. Okay, and so that's the thing. You need to do the CSD program. It's mandated because we believe that you guys should and must have these knowledge of CSD program. Sir, we are being asked to minimum 55 days internship, and it has to be mentioned in the certificate. Yeah, so in the certificate we write 8 weeks or 5 weeks, something like that. Okay, and to certificate regarding mentioning the dates and all, if you have any suggestion, that last group, there was one guy from, I think I am Visakhapatnam, or I don't know which I am. He suggested a lot of good things about that certificate. He said, उसमें ये word ये हटा दीजिए, वो उसमें लिख दीजिए, it will be better. So I adopted those changes, the suggestions. See, we are developing our internship program, improvising every day, only because of the suggestions, like real genuine suggestions from the interns. अगर मुझे कोई suggestion मिलता है, and if I find out it can be done, then it will be done, no matter what. Sir, as we know, this internship is from May to June, but till now, joining group. See, Shivani, there is no issue, right? People are joining, and our system is very in place. Suppose somebody is missing this interaction right now. So this video is getting recorded, and we'll share this video to them. So they will be on the same page. And we are also creating a page of the internship process flow. So you can know that which step you are in. When you finish that step, then you know that this step is finished. I need to do the next. I need to do that. So it's very clear, crystal clear thing. Okay, and when you finish the 3rd module, or when you are in the 3rd module, we will give you the project of your internship. So that your project is not project finance. See, because what happened that before, when we started 3 years back, the project was project finance, financial modeling and all. Then some of the interns start asking, sir, हमारे college में actual project पूछ रहे हैं sir, about the live project, about something. Okay. So Gopal, yes, CSD में the task is to make a report, and the certificate we give extra certificate. Sir, you can also guide regarding portfolio other than project finance. Nidhi, I can guide, but our internship is very focused. Okay, and I don't want to see. I have a lot of knowledge here and there, but I want to give you the knowledge where I am very much confident, and where I am dealing with the people, with the companies, with the corporate. So I can tell you guys that what is going on this corporate, what is going on this which corporate, and what is going on this things, right? So मुझे बहुत knowledge है. I cannot start internship on that. Then because when you start asking questions, I might not be able to answer. Email, there is a mention that first module has to submit. So where you need to submit, and how you need to finish the smart task 1, and where you need to submit, you will get information of TSW, task submission window. Okay, you get the task submission window and you will submit. Sir, it is work to fulfill the gap between the institutional learning corporate by doing this. No, by doing this CSD, See, go to the podcast of the CSD. By doing the CSD, you are getting the knowledge of the corporate skills required. When you enter and see, the problem with our education system is class 10th 9th सबसे यही problem है कि people are more focused on the skills which is required to enter in a system. Maths पढ़ो, science पढ़ो, don't think about anything else, don't learn how to swim, don't do sports, only study maths and science and enter in engineering, IIT or any other engineering college. They never talk about the skills required when you enter in the system, right? When you enter in the system, when what are the skills required to survive, sustain and grow in that system, they never talk about that. And that's where most of the people start facing issues, right? If somebody is entered in IIT, somebody entered in any engineering college, any MBA college, so he is already in that system. The system is already there, he is in the system. But how to survive, sustain and grow in that system, that they never learn. So that's why first I have received CSA offer letter, and after some days, yeah, you can change. See, before you submit the Smart Task 1, you can change your project. No, corporate skill development and soft skill developments are different, because in corporate skill development we are also trying to train you of non-listed skills, surviving skills, politics, right? Kick ass and kiss ass attitude and all this. There are a lot of things are there. So it's not only soft skill development, it's a lot of surviving skills also. Yeah, so that's the thing. It's not so difficult to do CSD. 5 videos hai. Watch all those 5 videos and watch all those 5 videos. Nitin Jindal, yes, we are going to do financial modeling. Of course, the whole project is on financial modeling only, nothing else. Okay, so Smart Task 1 is more about module 1. Smart Task 1 is more about basics, because understanding the basic is very important in terms of any project. If you don't understand the basics, you are not able to finish the project. Because I cannot give you the project on the day one. If I tell you that make a financial analysis and calculation of 10 megawatt solar power plant, right, in Jaisalmer, then what will you do? You guys cannot understand what is financial analysis, what to make in a financial model, what to write, what to not write, and why we are making this financial analysis. And is during using this financial analysis, is there any bank will give you loan or not? Sir, I am an operation management student. Do we need to case study? And yes, in operation in our case study project, there are something related to operation. Is that project related to financial modeling? No, there is no project related to financial modeling of EV. No. Financial modeling is for infrastructure project. EV is techno-commercial analysis. Sir, we get feedback for our answer. Yes, you get the feedback for your answer for Smart Task 1. Yes, but don't expect me to give you evaluation like an assignment. I will give you overall feedback, and you will do your self evaluation also. जैसे कि तुम लोगों ने you submitted, right? And I cannot. What is CSD? Corporate Skill Development Abbreviation. Okay, so I cannot give you assignment कि 50 में से 45 max और उसका 48, 49, because try to understand. You are not doing this internship to fulfillment of this is a course for your college. Internship कर रहे हैं कि course है. You are doing this internship to learn what is going on in real corporate world. Okay, to learn what is going on in real corporate world. So that is what the internship is all about. Okay, so it's definitely you need to go through the basics and modeling and everything. Do you have anything for marketing students or any project? See, for marketing we don't have a specific project, but see, for Vardhan Consulting Engineers to work in our organization, we are starting a marketing not internship, a marketing challenge. That you will get the details in next 2 days. Marketing challenge. We need people who can do marketing for VC. Make a plan for marketing, and don't come not a crap plan, right? Because there are a lot of MBA colleges, they approached us कि सर हमारा ग्रुप है, we do consultancy project and all. और जब मैंने उनको बोला कि सर give a marketing plan, they are not able to. Sir, my MBA recently started July. Okay, if you don't have any detail of your TPO, so we need to make a live project. Yes, of course, it will be a live project, but we cannot share the data of the clients, like actual data, but the project is as same as the live project. Because when I start understanding what is live project, मैं MBA colleges के professors, TPO सबसे मिला, live project क्या होता है, तो उन्होंने बताया कि जो कंपनी जो प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रही है उसका डेटा, बट हम लोग we cannot share you the data of the client, but we can tell you what the company, what is that project, how it is done and that. So that project you can show it to the college and कि सर हमने 10 megawatt solar power plant का financial analysis किया to get a non-recourse debt. So that will be helpful for you, right? अब मैं नहीं बता सकता कि वो प्रोजेक्ट कौन से कंपनी का था, ABC एग्रो लिमिटेड, और उनका प्रोजेक्ट कॉस्ट इतना था, बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल इंजीनियरिंग गोइंग ऑन इन प्रोजेक्ट फाइनेंस, राइट? ऑलवेज कभी पैसा इधर किया, कॉस्ट इन्फ्लेशन एंड दिस, देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स गोइंग ऑन, राइट? EPC, payment and all these things. So nobody want to share those data, especially to educational institutes. What kind of project will be given to electric vehicle project is we'll share you the list of projects, okay, but go through the modules and then, sir, we need to answer the question smarter in the Microsoft. Yes, Microsoft Word format. See, don't ask this HR admin questions to here, okay? Ask a specific question I can answer, not HR admin question. The details are always there in our website or the smart task, okay? Details are always there. We need to make report of every video. Oh, single report of all videos, not every video. Single report of all video will work. Single report of all videos, yeah. Okay, and so any other questions you have? Sir, we get a smart task as an assignment type is a basic. In order to there are podcast that will. See what is going to be in module 2, why you are asking now. First finish the module 1, right? Finish the module 1, you will get the module 2 details. In module 2 I cannot explain in module 2 में ऐसा, अभी एक module 1 में ही module 2 का बता रहा है, then you can ask module 3 में क्या होगा. You will get it, and see, you will get it and you will like it also. You can trust us on that. See, whosoever finish our internship, you can talk to them on LinkedIn. There are hundreds of people are there. You can talk to them. Talk to your college people also. We share the list of successful interns. Ask them, okay? Ask them that what is that. So if they are liking it, you will also like it. And apart, I'm telling you, the learning curve of this internship. Any minimum maximum? No, there is no minimum and maximum. But make it short, right? Corporate way, you cannot write long essays. Nobody read it. So the learning curve of this internship is not the technical knowledge you are getting. The learning curve in 4 parts. The first part of the learning curve is the corporate skill development, the skills related to corporate. That is skills that nobody discussed about. That I discussed in the CSD program. The 25%. Next 25% is the learning with the interactions with your mentor, interaction with the whole system of training and all what is going on in real world and all these things. That interaction gives you some learning, right? Like suppose what you are studying as a project, studying something in your college, and how that product is based in market. So that kind of learning is there. The techno-commercial kind of learning of anything, right? Because for any project there is a money involved, and if there is money involved, there is a profit involved. So you need to learn and understand that thing. It is all technical and all commercial also, including climate change and sustainable development. यहाँ पे कोई भी ऐसा project नहीं है that you guys are doing for शौकिया तौर, right? Right, शौकिया तौर, right? There is no, it's not like something hobby के लिए project करे. All these projects are from the industry. If you have done this project, if you are in the interview with the industry, how you tackle them, how you tell them, and what kind of people they are needing, they are required. That is what the project is. तो यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब कुछ भी पढ़ लिया, हाँ बहुत अच्छा लगा, सुन के अच्छा लगा, लेकिन इसका कोई यूज़ नहीं है. पढ़ा तो बट यूज़ ऐसा नहीं है. इवन दो यू आर डूइंग क्लाइमेट चेंज, in there are so many large size corporations, they need sustainability officers. They need people who understand climate change, who can make climate change report, who can make the sustainable development report for them. And you guys going to be one of them. But how you guys convince them that you are a good guy for that job? You should have the knowledge. Yes, you need to answer by your own, because like who else will answer for you? Will guide you for that. Sir, I don't want my college name to offer letter. Yes, if you don't want your offer letter college, see the issue of the exercise what we did for the TPO and all, because there are a lot of fake guys try to join in, right? And it started because what happened that it started because when we shift to Telegram, in Telegram there is an option of not showing your mobile number, and there is an option of you can change your name. So my Telegram ID is the real Fox, suppose, and I change my name to anything. So nobody can trace me out. It is not non-traceable. So I can send message to other guy, hi, how are you? I'm a friend. So but in WhatsApp, when we are doing WhatsApp groups, it was pretty much clear, because there is a mobile number. I can trace from the mobile number who is that guy, why you are there in this group, right? But in Telegram it's difficult, right? So there are a lot of people join and start messaging like other female interns, and that I don't like, and saying I'm from Bitslani, or maybe I am Ahmedabad or something. So that's the thing I don't like. So that exercise is important. That exercise is important, so that whosoever is a genuine candidate, he definitely come back and say, sir, I'm a genuine candidate, please allow me. Even though I don't have a TPO detail, but I'm a genuine guy. I say, okay, yes, you are a genuine guy, no issues. Include graph. No, there is no need of including graphs. Graphs is not required. Okay, there is no need of including graphs. So there is nothing. Okay, so that's the thing. And and one more thing I would like to tell, sir. We will get module 2 only after. Yes, you will get module 2 only after submitting Smart Task 1. No, there is no specific time to release module 2. We have a very nice system, right? We cannot share module 2 because when you submit the Smart Task 1, we got your email ID and submission. We check your submission. If it is not a crap document, we will share you the module 2, right? So and you cannot share that module to anybody else. Even if you share and somebody tried to submit it together, it's not. Submitted PDF Word, anything, PDF or Word, no issues. Sir, where to submit? In CSD report, you go to CSD page and go to step 6. There is a link. You write your name and all and submit. But go through all the videos of CSD. Go through all the videos of CSD and definitely you will learn something. It's my belief that you will learn something. And maybe you don't learn, but it's my belief that you learn something. And these are the information should be there with you. See, apart from all those learnings what you are getting like formal way of learning what you are getting here, there are a lot of new things you will start knowing about the corporate, how the banks work, how the companies work, who is dealing with electric vehicle, what are the issues, how the solar photovoltaic companies work and all. So how the photovoltaic companies work, and all these things are how the solar photovoltaic companies work. So all this corporate kind of knowledge, all this internal kind of knowledge you are also going to get. There is a lot of learning first, and so there is internal kind of knowledge you are going to get in this internship, and then you will start feeling कि starting में तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि this internship is kind of training program. It's a kind of training. And module है, ये है, वो है, तो internship तो नहीं लग रहा है, training है. But later on you will find out तो no, it's not just a kind of training only, it's a internship. Because trust me, And you need to believe me that I'm not your professor. I'm a professional guy. I have my own ways of dealing, talking to the interns, own ways of dealing the corporate situations and all. Okay, so when you talk to me, deal with me, then yes, you will find out. Second thing is, I request all of you guys to at least once talk to me on phone, interact with me, because I think that is also a part of corporate way of learning. See, no matter how much you go through my audio podcast or video or any other thing, and you like it, yeah, bahut acha hai, it's very good. But when I speak to you, you speak to me, and we have a communication one-to-one, then I can refer you and you can refer me as your mentor, and I can refer you as my mentee, as my student, as my intern. So during this internship, whenever you have time, just send me a message. Hello sir, today if you are free, I would like to interact. Right? Don't ask me what you want to interact, what should we talk. No, nothing. Just normal conversation. Right? Like what you are doing, which college, which course, and what do you want to do in your future after your college, after you graduate and all. That interaction is always helpful. Always. That's what my previous interns told me, that interaction is always helpful. Sometimes that interaction goes long to 1 hour also. 1 घंटा तक बात कर रहे हैं, बता रहे हैं, he is telling me, and then he get to know that, okay sir, I got to know a lot of new things. Okay, so don't shy about that. Don't think that I will start asking, I will start biting and asking, what is this, what is that. No, don't shy about that. We do a very focused call. Okay, so guys, do you have any other discussion? We will share you the details of group call. We will do group call on Skype. Before that we used to do on Zoom, but now Zoom is some problem and personal issue and all. So a lot of interns told me that, sir, we cannot do on Zoom because data protection something problem. So we start doing on Skype. So Skype also we can do big group calls. And if you are not able to attend that call, if you are busy in something, your college assignment and all, we'll definitely record that call and share it in the group of that project, not to everybody. Share it in the group, and then you can go through the call whenever you have time. Okay, so sir, what's your opinion about word limit of maximum? See, the word limit should be, every question, it should be less than 200 words. Right? Because whenever you submit anything to corporate, somebody talk to anybody in corporate, nobody is interested to go through a long essay. It's like short. Sir, any from your end clarification or interview? Clarification? I don't understand. What clarification you are asking? I really don't understand. And whosoever is watching this session, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Project session start after completing module. Which project session? I don't understand. Which project session? I really don't understand. See, the problem is the project and the different modules to reach that project is very important, so that you can slowly understand and able to create something. Sir, when do you have to submit? See, for your group, I think you should finish the CSD before 31st May. That is organization strength in terms of employees. See, our organization strength is about less than 10 guys, right? 8 to 10 guys. Okay, and our registered office address is in Patna, Bihar. That is my hometown, home address. Okay, because where we registered the organization. Okay, but our mostly all the employees are mostly connected online. In future, I was thinking of having an office in Gurgaon. Maybe next year, maybe if we receive more funding. Right now we receive less funding, so maybe we receive more funding. And if we feel it's required, if I feel it's required to have an office, a proper office where we sit down and all. If it is not required, because right till now The whole team is working online, not because of this COVID. Before that also, they're doing something else in their life and doing for us also, and everything was managed super nicely, no complaints. So if it is required, then only can you share the link for submission window? Okay, so all this submission window and all, you can ask the HR and she will definitely submit. Any chance of getting full jump? Yes, there is a chance of getting full-time offer, but not now. Maybe next year we have something. So what is your comfortable time for general discussion? See, for general discussion, my comfortable time is I stay in Bangkok, so it's 1.5 hours different. Like right now, the time in Bangkok is 1:10, and I think time in India is 11:40, close to, right? So it's morning 8 o'clock Indian time to night 8 o'clock. Right, because right now it's work from home completely, so we don't go outside, so you can talk anytime, but don't call me. Send me a message and then I will call you. Okay guys, thank you very much. Then subscribe to the YouTube channel, okay, because more subscription is giving the point is not YouTube is paying us for something, but the point is the more we got subscription, the more features YouTube is giving us. Come subscription if YouTube don't give us more features. Jitna recently we crossed 1,000 subscribers. So then YouTube give us the feature of going live anywhere, anytime in on mobile. So just 2,000 ho jayega to aur. Okay. So anything you want to ask? Sir, thank you for. Anything else you want to ask? Any other question? You will get the information about group call. Don't worry about this. You'll get the information about group call. Be calm, patient. आज शुरू ही हुआ इंटर्नशिप, आज खत्म नहीं हो रहा है. अभी तो 1.5 महीने का साथ है, 1.5 month. So don't be panic. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि बार-बार मैसेज कर रहे कब मिलेगा, क्या होगा. ऐसा नहीं करना. Like you have 1.5 month. Be calm, right? We'll give you information. Slowly we'll do. Okay guys. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. You want to have a look of Bangkok? Want to see Bangkok? Okay guys. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Sir, can you tell yourself something about yourself, your career and education? As recently I changed my project, I don't want any. You get the offer letter, Raja. No issues in that. When you change the offer, you will get the offer letter, right? Drashti, my career, I'm an electrical engineer. I did engineering from Indore, and then I did masters in technology in renewable energy from New Delhi. Okay, and then 10-12 years I'm working in solar photovoltaic solar photovoltaic power generation companies, and then I started giving consultancy from 4-5 years to other energy projects also, like pyrolysis or wind and solar. So that's what my career, and I am very much interested in education field also. So that's all it is. Okay guys, thank you. Take care of yourself.